Swaddling can be one of the most comforting things for a newborn. It helps them feel secure, keeps them warm, and can even improve their sleep. But swaddling needs to be done correctly and safely, and it's not something you'll use forever. In today's video, we'll explain what swaddling is, why it works, when to do it, how to swaddle step by step, and when it's time to stop. Section 1. What is swaddling and why it's helpful? Swaddling is simply wrapping your baby snugly in a light, breathable blanket, leaving only their head exposed. Newborns are used to the tight, cozy environment of the womb. When they're suddenly in the open world, they can be startled by noises, light, or even their own movements. This is called the startle reflex. Swaddling gently limits those sudden jerks, helping babies stay calmer and sleep longer. Many parents also find swaddling useful during fussy evenings or before naps, as it gives babies that reassuring sense of security. Section 2. When to swaddle. You can start swaddling from the day your baby is born, if they enjoy it. Not all babies like being wrapped up, so watch your baby's cues. Swaddling is most helpful in the first 2 months, when that startle reflex is strongest. But once your baby shows signs of rolling over, often between 2 to 3 months, it's time to stop. At this stage, swaddling could become dangerous because a baby who rolls onto their tummy while swaddled can't push themselves back over. Section 3. How to swaddle safely. Let's go step by step through a safe swaddle. Choose the right blanket, use a lightweight, breathable fabric like cotton or muslin. Avoid anything thick or fluffy. Lay it flat in a diamond shape, fold the top corner down about 6 inches, forming a straight edge. Place your baby on their back, shoulders should be just below the folded edge. Secure the first side, take the left corner, bring it across your baby's chest, and tuck it underneath their body. Fold the bottom up, make sure the hips and knees can bend. Baby's legs should be able to move freely, this prevents hip dysplasia. Secure the second side, take the right corner across the chest and tuck it under your baby's back. A safe swaddle is snug but not tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between the swaddle and your baby's chest. And remember, always place your baby on their back to sleep. Keep their face and head uncovered to avoid overheating. Never swaddle with arms down by the sides if your baby prefers them bent. It's fine to swaddle with arms up or hands near the face. Section 4. Common swaddling mistakes. Some parents swaddle too tightly around the hips, which can lead to joint problems. Always leave enough space for legs to move. Another mistake is using swaddling for playtime. It's meant for naps or bedtime only. And lastly, avoid using heavy blankets or wrapping your baby in multiple layers, as this can cause overheating. Section 5. When to stop swaddling. Once your baby starts attempting to roll, swaddling becomes unsafe. This is the time to transition to a baby sleeping bag or wearable blanket, which still keeps them warm but allows free arm and body movement. Outro swaddling can make a big difference in helping your newborn feel safe and sleep better, but only when done correctly. Remember, every baby is unique. Some love being swaddled, others don't, and that's perfectly okay. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Baby Care Tips UK for more practical parenting tips. And don't miss our next video, we'll be talking about safe sleep practices for newborns.